This old barn was showing its age. The original 30 by 75 structure had seen better days. Weathered, worn out, and barely functional. It needed more than just a touch-up. It needed a transformation. Our renovation team stepped in, assessing the structure, replacing damaged components, and giving this building a brand new lease on life. We didn't just stop at repairs. The customer needed more space and more height, so we added a 30 by 40 addition with a 16-foot ceiling to meet their growing needs. And to top it off literally, we built an 8 by 40 covered porch. Not only does it add style and curb appeal, it also adds a functional outdoor space. What started as a rundown building is now a fully functional, beautiful space built with purpose, precision, and pride. At FBI Buildings, we specialize in breathing new life into old structures. Whether it's a repair, renovation, or a total transformation. Have a building that needs help? Contact FBI Buildings today for all your repair and renovation needs.